Well. Let's go for a flight. Let's see how that works out. A little bit too much. Ah, damn it. Starts well. Very well. Can take off from here. It's a recording. Let's try again. Won't fly with the prop I made. Why is it beeping? Complete disappointment. I fixed all my props broke. I forgot to buy some, to order some this weekend. I forgot to order some this week. So I tried making my own prop, sort of, but it's not working. As you saw. What the heck is it beeping? I don't know why the transmitter is beeping. Let's give it another shot, but didn't. Shut up. I don't know. Is it telling me that batteries for the transmitter are low or what? I don't know. What is happening? I think it's the battery pack for the airplane. Wow, check out that Air France coming in. Oh, shut up. To change the battery.